Hi and welcome back today. As you can see, I am working the dirty hand as a diesel mechanic or generator technician is normal. Okay, so today in this video I am explaining complete entire of adjustment, voltage increase, decrease, frequency and safety activation of this controller. This is the PowerCommand PCC, okay, 1301 series PowerCommand. This internally use the PCC 1301 series internal baseboard. Okay, so as you can see here we have some indications with the buttons and mention alert. When the engine is running, this indication light after running stay on. For the remote start, this will be on, not in auto. That means the engine is not in auto. Okay, just it's now in a manual position. Okay, after that, when the engine pressure, oil pressure is low, it's blinking on this light and stop the generator. Okay, after that high engine temperature, this light will stay on and the engine will stop, shut down due to cause engine high temperature and low oil pressure shutdown. Here is warning, just warning. Okay, and here is shutdown. Warning means you check the engine oil and fill it or change it. But when the low oil pressure shutdown is activated, that means you have serious issue about the low oil. Okay, after that, our speed, if the engine speed is increased to the set point of the rated RPM, it gets cause shutdown. Okay. And fail to shut down sometime. When it's you cranking the engine does not start. That means this light will be flushing. That means some air like in fuel lines, or not fuel in a diesel tank, or some issue in a fuel lines, or the fuel stop in turning on solenoid. Okay, after that we have shutdown warning. That means shutdown and warning. Okay, shutdown means engine is now as stop mode. Okay, it rest mode. Warning means when this light blinking, that means you have some warning. Okay, common warning. After that, here we have fault acknowledgement rest. To resting fault by this button, limp test. Here we have limps to test. As you can see, this limp using for night and manual auto rest. This can be set from the ignition key. So first of all, let me show you how to rest the emergency push button. When I press this emergency push button, as you can see here, we have stop emergency. Okay, how to rest it? Rotate this counterclockwise and push back. Okay, and then press the fault acknowledgement button. It's gone. Here, as you can see, shutdown warning also gone. It means the engine was before shutdown due to the press emergency push button. Okay, so this is the complete detail of this indication in buttons. And here, as you can see, we have some digital scale here for voltages, for frequency. As you can see here, frequency always is running between the 50 or 60 hertz, and here we have amperes. Okay, and here is a control panel. So let me show you how to adjust the voltage increase and decrease, or how to check it out, all safety and warning actual ROM. So as you can see here, we have checked some voltage frequency from here during running. Okay, but here we have engines adjustment alternator mode. When I enter an alternator, as you can see here, I check the alternator. Okay, line to line, line to neutral, frequency. When I enter an engine, I can check the engine parameters. like a temperature, coolant temperature, oil pressure, engine RPM, battery voltages, governor duty cycle, active time delay. Okay, so back from it. So if I want to adjust something like voltages or under, by pressing these buttons, and this two buttons is used to uh, increase, and again I press, this is the enter button, and I can increase or decrease the voltage. Okay, after that, this, as you can see, this is under voltage, and before was our frequency, this arrow. Okay, start delay, stop delay. Okay, okay, as you can see, voltage increase and decrease. And let me back it from, and as you can see, after that enter the fault, and again enter, as you can see. So let me just back, and the history, as you can see, the number of start, engine running hours, control hours, kilowatt hours, gen duty cycle. Let me back it. As you can see, voltage adjustment and frequency adjustment. As you can see, the model DCA, rating, standby, software version. Check me fault history, current, enter. As you can see, engine shutdown due to CRIT, non-CRIT, short circuit, overcurrent, emergency push button, low battery voltages, weak battery, speed signal lost, battery failed, low coolant temperature, low oil pressure. Here we have also mentioned in this hour, okay, for command hours and engine hours. Okay, failed to crank. Okay, so this is the complete detail. If you want to like this video, please write comment below in comment section. I will give you complete detail about any kind of generator. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.